This is my fancy gym. Just kidding. This does not cost me any money to pay. I just stay fit and I'm making ready my garden and eat free. So you see, I save money not going to the gym and keep myself fit, and in the same time I'm gonna get free food by planting my garden. I'm at the office and oh shit, come here, come here. Oh shit. I always think how to save money and how to make money. My dog does not want that I work, looks like, or wants my attention. He loves that I carry him. I have some old seeds from the watermelon that I already ate, and I'm gonna plant it in my little garden. Oh my God. Go. So I hope this summer I'm gonna show you my work, free watermelons, and I'm gonna plant other stuff. I love eating for free. I remember I was having I forgot the name of this tool, damn it. Work hard if you want to have a successful life and to win to life. Is what I did and still do. I remember I had a shovel in my hand and I was digging and I was trying to help the plumber, and it was to one of my houses that I rent, and the plumber guy told me, hey, do you know a girl like you? Just helping a little bit and trying my best to help somebody, it make him to wish to have a girl like me. When you're a quality person, many people want you. Several people, guys, I want to say, they asked me, do you know a girl like you, or do you have a sister? And I said, I don't know nobody like me. Now people has their character and they don't want to change to become better because they already think in their mind that they're good enough and they don't want to change at all. I'm always willing to change for a better me. I got those pepper seeds from my friend Natalie. I asked her, hey, if you don't need it, I want to have it. So I'm gonna just throw the seeds here. And this soil, she dumped her flower soil from the flower that she had, and the husband gave it to me because he knew I'm gonna make it useful. So this soil, it's free, and those seeds is for free. I'm making my garden to eat for free. You see, some stuff does not cost money, just to have good friends. I try to cover the seeds with a little soil, and I'm gonna water. Try to make sure that all the seeds is on the ground. I always try to keep myself active. I'm preparing for my future. So what I'm gonna do with this mulch, here it was big trees. At the office we had a problem with the plumbing because the roots of the tree was destroying the plumbing pipes, and we had to cut it. So this mulch, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna use it around the houses of my renter because they have hard time to wheel leading. It's too hot outside, or the muscle probably will hurt and it's painful for them. So I'm gonna try to solve one problem so that they will have less work to do with their yard, since I don't have the time all the time to take care of everything that belongs to me and while they use my houses. So again, free mulch. It does not cost me nothing. I just have to pick it and to put it in the right place. Put the right seed into your life. What you're gonna do today, it will show tomorrow. Do the right thing. I just threw the seeds here, and if it comes, it comes. If it does not come, it did not cost me nothing. But most of the time, always something come back to me in a positive way. I want to show you my baby watermelons. I have 6 baby watermelons. I put those seeds around 10 days ago. What kind of seeds you're gonna put into your life? Positive or negative? I always try to put positive seeds into my life, and I see many people put seeds of negative in their life and they're not conscious about their behavior. People destroy themselves with the decision that they're making. Join me and take the best decision and be unstoppable like me. And there is the seeds from the cantaloupe that I already eat, and this is the pepper from my renter. He gave it to me for free and I decided to keep the seeds. I love eating fruits and vegetables. I cannot understand why people love junk food and feel like shit after that. My body feels great and I'm happy. I'm gonna throw those seeds here in my little garden. As you can see, I love to take care of my life, take care of yours. One of the things I build muscle to my arms, sometimes I have to work with my arms, so it's here some roots. To pull weeds and working in the garden. So when you do like this, you train your muscle from your arms. Oh my God. Those tomatoes is from the seeds of the tomato that I had last year. I had so many tomatoes that it got spoiled and rotten and fallen down, and it brings me more free plant tomatoes. So I'm gonna plant it here. Instead of watching too much TV and playing video games that it just make my electric bill higher, since I'm a frugal person, I always try to use my time wisely. So if you want to be successful, use your time wisely. This is the reason I become successful today, because I'm frugal and I always try to make smart decisions with my life. My secretary became my friend, and now I will tell her she can pick up the tomatoes when we'll be ready to get free tomatoes, because she has been nice to me, helped me with my business. I want to be extra nice to her, and I will let her to have watermelon, tomatoes. Here is my cucumber plant I just planted. I just want to make sure that my plants will have plenty of water when I plant them. Here is another tomato plant and more tomato plants. So I'm really excited about my little garden. I'm gonna throw those cantaloupe seeds into my garden. There are so many. I'm gonna break the eggshell. I wonder how many cantaloupes I'm gonna get. I'm gonna show it to you when they grew up. I'm in my second garden at the office, and now I'm gonna pick up my tomatoes. I have to water the plants every day because it's hot outside. I pick up some of my tomatoes from here. Next year I want to make my garden even bigger than what it is. So my business, this is my goals. This is my first watermelon of this year. I'm not sure if it's gonna be good, so I'm gonna try it. Oh, looks red. It's a small one. I'm gonna taste it to see. Wow, it's so sweet. You cannot imagine how sweet it is. Better than the store. So I don't understand why my real friends said eating healthy is expensive. For me it's cheap. This is the watermelon from the seeds that I eat in the past, and I just put it in the yard, and I have now 3 watermelons. I have many more that grows. This is the tomato that I pick up in the last few days, I think 4 days. The cucumber, the same thing. Yeah, I love being smart. I wanted to show you how looks my garden now. It's the end of the August. I've been so busy with my renters. I have to make eviction. In the last 1 month, I had to make 2 evictions. I have to talk with lawyers. I have to go to the court. And when they leave, they destroy the house, so I have to redo everything. So I didn't have much time to take care of my second garden. But I want to show you what is going on. My friend Mark, who advised me to make my YouTube channel, he said he could not believe it, watermelons on the concrete. So here is my watermelons on the concrete. Some is here. This is my cantaloupe. The vein went up like this, and this watermelon grew up this way. This watermelon is ready to pick. So this is my first watermelon. Oh no, it's the second from here, from this garden that I pick. Indeed. So I'm gonna eat for free. Another baby cantaloupe. Another cantaloupe on a concrete. Soon I have to pick up this cantaloupe, and I have another one here and another one here, and look, I have one here too. The cantaloupe is from the seeds of a cantaloupe that I already ate, and I just threw the seeds here in the grass, in the, I want to say in the garden. You can eat for free if you're smart. This is my first cantaloupe from my own garden. All my plants and my vegetables, they're organic. So I'm wondering if it's really a good one. Looks pretty good. Of course, I'm gonna save the seeds for the next year. So I'm gonna have again free cantaloupe without costing me any money for the seeds.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just touching me.